CP National Corporation and its subsidiary Cogeneration are pleased to present their story, Technologies of Tomorrow, Today. CP National is a highly diversified public corporation operating within many areas of our industrial environment, such as communications, oil and gas, and alternative energies. CP National President and Chairman of the Board, Ben Agee, fully supports CNC's role in creating new energy technologies.
Now, the expansion of our business into the independently owned energy system accelerates CP National's transition. That is, a transition from a supplier of utility services into a dynamic, diversified communications and energy service company throughout the 80s and well beyond. We expect big things from Cogeneration. We're pleased to have them part of the CP National team.
Cogeneration National Corporation is 62% owned by CP National and was founded by Timothy Boyle, who is President and Chief Executive Officer.
We at Cogeneration National Corporation are building a diversified network of energy facilities. These will be production centers to provide affordable energy and economic security, increasing the opportunities for industry and government to better compete in the world marketplace. Cogeneration National Corporation, a few years ago, envisioned an integrated nationwide network of independently owned energy centers. This we felt would fulfill the needs in our changing marketplace. From the inception of the alternative energy industry, our goal has been to establish an advanced energy efficient base for industry and government without any capital investment on their part. Today, CNC's combination of development, capital, and corporate resources is the catalyst for the company's blueprint of independent energy production centers. We are acquiring sites and applying state-of-the-art technology and equipment systems to implement our network. In building a diversified, independently owned energy supply, CNC is providing the marketplace with energy self-sufficiency and controlled future energy costs.
Formed as a project development corporation, CNC has evolved into a full-service development, management, financial, and engineering firm. CNC's corporate office is located near Oakland, California, and is responsible for project development. The Southern Division, based in Irvine, California, handles all engineering and design. Both offices employ advanced computer technology in the development and design of all projects. Engineering calculations and final drawings are developed on computers using the CAD/CAM system. At the same time, individual human initiative and dedication are highly prized by the corporation. CP National's network of facilities and expertise are available for use by CNC. This corporate support enables Cogeneration National to achieve its goals effectively and economically. The Southern California Engineering Division was founded by Ed Miller on February 1st, 1985. This group was established to develop engineering processes for the petroleum, chemical, natural gas, and alternative energy industries. Personnel with over 400 man-years of experience in these and related fields are creating new alternatives in cost-effective energy production. In 1983 and 84, CNC participated in the development of SEGS-1, located in Daggett, California. Currently the world's largest solar electric generating system and completely privately funded, SEGS 1 is the first in a long line of commercially viable solar electric generating systems. Taking 16 months to engineer and construct, SEGS 1 was installed at a cost of $63 million. Each year, it provides approximately 28,000 megawatt hours to the Southern California Edison electrical grid, enough power to supply over 10,000 homes. Today, CNC's Southern Division is designing SEGS 2 through SEGS 7, each of which will be 30 megawatt systems. Together, they will provide a total of 150 megawatts of electrical energy over the next 5 years. SEGS 1 will be dwarfed by the size of SEGS 2, located immediately adjacent to the original site. The new project is slightly over twice the physical size of SEGS 1 and will generate nearly 90,000 megawatt hours each year, sufficient power to supply over 30,000 homes. SEGS 2 will cost $95 million. The learning curve is apparent. For 1.5 times the installed cost, there is 3 times the yearly energy output. Engineering for the SEGS 2 project was started on February 1, 1985 by the Southern California Division of CNC. Blunt Construction Division of Blunt International Corporation began work at the site 15 days later. The project will generate electricity before the end of December 1985. 11 months to engineer and construct, a seemingly impossible task, but already a reality. SEGS 2 is the result of the cooperative efforts of Cogeneration National Corporation, the project developers and engineers, Luz International Limited, who designed and supplied the solar trough technology, Westinghouse Corporation and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, responsible for designing and supplying the power block equipment, and Blunt Construction, the overall coordinator and project builder. The SEGS design is sophisticated yet simple. Parabolic trough reflectors focus the sun's rays on a heat collection element. This HCE is comprised of a stainless steel pipe enclosed by a Pyrex glass tube. An insulating vacuum is drawn in the space between the pipe and the glass. A high-temperature heat transfer oil is circulated through the pipes, where it is heated to a temperature of between 600 and 630 degrees Fahrenheit. The oil is then routed to a steam generator, where it heats water to create saturated steam with a temperature of 456 degrees Fahrenheit. The steam is then superheated in a solar or gas-fired superheater to temperatures approaching 680 degrees Fahrenheit. This steam drives a turbine, which is directly coupled to the electrical generator. After the heat exchange has taken place between the oil and the water, the cooled oil is then recirculated through the solar field for additional heat cycles. The parabolic trough reflectors track the sun's position to within 1/10 of 1 degree, using sophisticated sensors linked to local and remote microprocessors. The parabolic reflectors automatically go into the stow position at the first sign of high winds, hail, or other adverse environmental conditions. SEGS 1 stores approximately 750,000 gallons of hot oil to be used to generate electricity during peak load conditions. The SEGS 2 and future projects will use a natural gas-fired boiler to accomplish the same purpose. CP National and Cogeneration National Corporations are working together with their partners to provide clean, safe, and economical energy from a never-ending source. We are partners with the future, today.